I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Dailymotion app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, click in this sign down here, just click on it. You come to your profile, it's going to show for you like this. You go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on settings, click on it. Then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to hide sensitive content, click in this sign. So like you see here, this color show for us, that's mean hide sensitive content enable with us now. So that's all you have to do, that's all. I wish you are get it, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.